Hello, just wanted to come on here and share a little Hobby Lobby haul with you guys. If you're interested in it, please stay tuned. Okay guys, I went into Hobby Lobby about a week ago and found some deals. I thought they were good deals, so I bought them. And I just wanted to share with you what I picked up, as well as I have a small little haul from Wawak, or Wawak, however you pronounce it. So we're going to open that box together and let's see what we got. So first off, I got this fabric. It's so soft. It looks like a blanket. But I got 3 yards of this. It was on clearance for $4 a yard. It's real nice. It's really soft. Let me show you trying to show you the inside. This is the outside, and then that's what it look on the inside. I got this for the mister. He approved it because he always say I don't make him nothing. So we're gonna make him something out of that. Don't know what. And I was good. I only got 2 different. I purchased this. This is so soft. I purchased this to make me like a little sweater, turn a cow neck sweater. I have a couple of trips that I have going on, so this will hopefully make the cut. It may be even enough for me to make a dress. I don't know, but we shall see. I like this. It was so soft. So I got that. That's all the fabrics that I got. Now, let's open the Wawak, because that's a bunch of zippers, and you may or may not be interested in those. Okay, they had zippers on sale, so I got just zippers galore. But these are the continuous zippers, so happy. I got pink. What is this? Maroon. Now I gotta hang them up. Orange. Some more orange. If you see 2 of the same color, that means they're different sizes. Lime green. I just thought this would be fun to have. It was like 98 cents or a couple of dollars. Let's see. See, I ordered so much. The little girl, whoever did the order, had to get them a highlighter. It's like, this too many buttons for me. Yeah. These right here. These little 3 yards were like 95 cents. I ordered these seam rippers. I want to say they was like 20 cents. And then I got some zips to go with the zippers. I'm trying to tell y'all the prices of them. This was, I think the continue, yeah, these are $4.95. This is 25 yards. So I guess at some point I'm gonna become a bag maker. But I don't need any more zippers. This is white. It's a $4.95. Brown. I tried to get these in the colors that I be looking for most of all. And tan. And then I got some more other 95-cent ones. Just different colors. I might not even keep yours all. So if you know me and you receive something in the mail, it's probably gonna be some zippers. But this is like a navy. I got a red, a yellow. Oh, I even got a purple and pink. Some more yellow. Like I said, if you see 2 colors, they're different sizes. And this is blue. More purple and brown. So I am happy with that. Okay, that can stay right there. It's not gonna fall. So that's what I got from Wawak. And I have more zippers from Hobby Lobby. But I do give stuff to people as well. And some of the stuff that I got from Hobby Lobby, I'm going to take to our group. Because last month they did like little giveaways. And I thought they were so sweet. And I found a lot of little clearance stuff. I said, I need to take this to them. Now, this was not clearance. These cost 99 cents. I am making something and I need a separating zipper. So that's why I got these. Now, on to this. I'm trying to get all of them and show you at one time. I got piping for that same project. Which I've already started sewing it, so do I need to? We'll see. Okay, I found the silicone iron rest. I got this for my little mini irons. And this was like $3.99, half price on clearance. I purchased these things. I could have been wanting these right here. So like, they had two, I got both of them. But these were $2.99. And it's funny, they've been there the whole time for $5.99. I just never saw them until I saw that orange tag. But these help you loop. These are like loop turners. Not loop turners. For the elastic. Put the elastic through. And it's really long. And I found some magic pens. These are regular $10.99. So these are $5.49. These is half off. I like these. And at some point I'm going to have nothing but these. But I got these for, like I say, $5.49. These are the kind you can iron on over because the tip is silicone. They're kind of on the expensive side. So when I see them marked down, I get them. I also found this. This is the elastic turner. This was $6.49. It was regular $12.99. But I got this. I have all of these right here. But I got this for the skinny one. That's for when you're doing those spaghetti straps, a real small one. So I was like so glad. I got this for myself and I got one for my friend. They had two. I got this. I didn't need it, but it was cute to put on my door. It says, what happens in the sewing room stays in the sewing room. I had a pair put that on my door. I have these the things that go like at the end of drawstrings. These were on clearance for 49 cents, regular $1.99. And like I say, these are thank you cards. These are note cards. So I can send to my friends around the world and say hello. And here's some more of those little drawstring things. I don't know why I'm putting my head in the way, like you need my head to see. So I got, those are the two colors they had. I just got 2 packs of each. They had more. I got this from work. I thought this was so cute. It's a mouse pad. It was only $2.49, regular $7.99. That's cute. So this is for work. Let me leave that out so I can remember. Oh, I got this so they could do it to add to the little giveaway. It was 94 cents, but it has like 3 books in there. So I'm going to take that to the group for a giveaway. I always pick up these books, guys, because I usually carry a big bag with me everywhere I go. I have this to write my own thoughts in, which I probably should have had a little one, but this was $175, $174. So I got 2 of these. These are for myself. I always carry one of these around with me. So I collect these, and I have a bin where when I find them on clearance, I just get them. And I might take this ruler to work because I'm always taking somebody else's ruler at work. So this one was 124. I thought that was cute. And I think it matched my thing. I think it matched my mouse pad. Oh, and I got some more of these, but these are to add into the little giveaway. I think people would like that. I thought this was cute. Now, these are like little keychains. Well, let me tell you my idea. I was thinking about, and I got to see how heavy it is. I was thinking about taking those spools off because I got 2 of them and making me some earrings. What y'all think? Let me know in the comments below. Should I turn them into earrings or just put them in the giveaway thing? But I thought this was really cute. I'm gonna put that on my side until we figure out together what we're gonna do. And I needed some of these buckles, but this is the only color they had. The twist lock for when you're making the bags. I had been wanting some of those, so that was 74 cents. And I got 2 of those, so. But the best find, well, this was an expensive find, but these were regular $16.99, so they were half off for $8.49. These are, it says easy to read markings on the top of each clip, but you are supposed to be able to keep sewing because they have holes in them. Let's open them. They only had 1 pack of this, but I got the 1 pack I saw. So you're supposed to be able to, because it have the little holes in it, but they're still wider than a pen. I don't know, but I do see the marks. You probably can't see it. I'll show you the back, but they have the little marks, measurement marks on them. So I don't know. I'll figure out how to use them. If not, I know how to use a clip, and I know how to clip my stuff together. For $8, it should hold something. It's kind of tight though, so they might last a while. I don't know with this plastic. But for $8, they was regular $16.99. Yeah, that's a special gift to myself. Now I wanted to show you guys the zippers. Because I look at these zippers all the time, and I never purchase them because I didn't want to pay $8 for a zipper. But I wanted to show you the zippers that I got because it was a variety of zippers, and then I'm going to let you guys go. I ain't going to hold y'all look like that. But they had these zippers. The smaller ones are $5.99, so I got them for $137. So let me see if you can see. And I have so many. Look how many I got. Yeah, and all that zip tape. I might take that to the group for the giveaway too. Maybe I might even make little baggies for the giveaway. But it's so cute. And these big ones. Now that little one was $137, $5.99. These big ones are $7.99. They was $124. I gotta put that on something, y'all. That's so cute. I just wanted to look at this. See, it's so cute. You know what? We're gonna surprise somebody with some sewing notions. Somebody who wasn't even expected, but I think I have their information. Okay, this one is $3.99. Look at that. Is that not freaking cute? Oh, these are so cute. That's where I'm going to surprise somebody. They're going to be so surprised. I love giving people stuff. Oh, these are so pretty. But I'll never use all of those at one time. So we're going to bless somebody else with these. All right. So if I have your address, you might be getting a package. But that's all I got, guys. That's all I picked up. I hope you enjoyed my little mini haul. I hope I didn't keep you too long. You have been watching Sew She Designs, and my name is Shalisa. Thanks for stopping by. See you on the next video. Bye-bye. Oh, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Bye-bye.